Hello, right now we're going to be comparing two whole numbers. The first number is 20,250 and the other number is 20,539. We want to compare these to see which one is greater than or less than the other one. We can easily do this by placing them in the place values chart. Since we know that this resembles 1,000, we can simply put them into this chart starting in the thousands column. We do not have a block that represents 10,000, which is why we'll put it into the thousands column. I'm going to make this smaller so that more of them fit in there because we have to put 20 in here. So I'll start like this. I have put 20 into the thousands column because we have 20,000 right here. So to double check, I'll just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we do have 20 here. The next thing we want to do is to add 200 since we have 200 right here. So I'm going to move 2 of these since they represent 100 each. So right now we have 20,000 and 200s. Next we need to add 50 to our place value chart. We could add 50 of the ones, or we could do this more simply and add 5 of these, so it would be 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Next we're going to add this number, 20,539, to the place value chart. So let me see if I can do a quick way of adding this. No, I cannot. So we're going to add 20 of these to the thousands column, like so, and I will do it quickly so that you don't have to look. As you can see, I have added 20 to the thousands column right here. Since I have 500 here, I need to add 5 to the hundreds column, 5 of the hundreds. So I have 1, oh, come on. Let me just fix something. So I have got 100 here, 200, 300, 400, and 500. Next I need to add 30, which means I can bring 3 to the tens column. So let's add it. 10, 20, 30, and I have 9 left to go, so I can add 9 of these to the column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. As you can see in the place value chart, that this number is greater than this number. If we look, they both have 20,000s in the chart, but if we look at the hundreds column, there are only 200 here, and there are 500 here. So this one is more, and if we compare the tens, this one has 5 and this one has 3. But since this has more hundreds and the same amount of thousands, this number is greater. So we can show that by our symbol. This number is greater than this number. And you can remember that this one points to the smaller number. This part, this edge points to the smaller number, which could erase this number. That's a good way of remembering it, for me at least. Can you compare two numbers to see which one is higher or less?